Hi, this is Collar of Sublime Trading. This is the Forex Weekend video analysis. We're going to have a look at four interesting looking Forex pairs in this weekend analysis, starting off with the euro dollar. If we go to the monthly time frame, we can see that price is heading down. Price may continue to head lower, and if it does, it may reach this area of support, which is last year's low. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that price is using the 200 simple moving average as an area of support. If we look a bit closer, we can see that around this point, price did move below the 200 simple moving average, but closed above there. And again here, price did spike below the 200 simple moving average, and here again. So it is clearly finding it difficult to break and close below this area. But if we look at last week, price did actually close below the 200 simple moving average. So if we see another close below this point, then we may see continued weakness in the euro dollar. Going to the daily time frame now, price is below both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, and if we look a bit closer, we can notice that the 50 simple moving average is forcing price down. So we're seeing lower highs recently, and if the momentum to the downside does continue, then we may see a break and close below this low, and also continued moves below the weekly 200 simple moving average. Next Forex pair we are looking at is the pound New Zealand dollar. If we look at the monthly time frame, price has been heading down. So far this month we've seen an indecision candle. So price may continue lower, or it may start to move to the upside, or may just go sideways. But at the moment we are looking bearish on the monthly time frame. On the weekly time frame, price is below both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, and on the daily time frame, that price is below both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. Clear trend to the downside, noted by the lower lows and lower highs. Currently, we may just be experiencing a pullback. If price does start to move down, we want to see a break and close below this low to confirm a continuation of this downtrend. Going to the next Forex pair, the pound Swedish Krona. On the monthly time frame, currently this month we are looking bearish and below last year's high. So price may continue lower and may even reach last year's low as an area of support. Weekly time frame, price is below both the 50 and 200 simple moving average. After this area of consolidation, price has broken out through this area of support, and we can see continued weakness in this Forex pair. On the daily time frame, price is below both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. Here we can see a nice move to the downside, lower lows and lower highs, and if we zoom out, all we need now is for a confirmation of the downtrend by seeing a break and close below this area of support. Last Forex pair we are looking at is the pound US dollar. It's been an interesting week in the pound. You can see on the monthly time frame, price is heading down and looks like it's heading towards last year's low. Weekly time frame, price is below the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. As you can see, last week we had a nice bearish candle. Although there was a long wick below this bar, price is still in an overall downtrend. If we go to the daily time frame, price is below both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. If we just zoom in a little closer, if you look at the crosshair from this low and look across, we can see how price broke down below this area of support, moved back up again, tagged this area of resistance, and has since started to move down again. So a break and close below this low here will confirm a continuation of the downtrend. Thank you for watching the Forex Weekend video analysis. To catch all of our updates, press the notification button and the subscribe button below the video so you don't miss any of our analysis.